what's up, y'all? It's your boy Stand the Man here with the Marvel shirt. I hope you guys are having a great start of your weekend so far. It's the weekend. Enjoy. Have a lot of fun. But today I'm going to be doing a two-part series of solar street lights that I just purchased not too long ago. So I'm going to actually put them together and get them ready for installation. That's going to be part one. And I'm also going to leave the link in the description below on where you can acquire these products as well. They look pretty great. The reviews seem pretty good on them. So I'm going to actually do my due diligence on that and figure that stuff out, install them, and see how they work in my yard and stuff of that nature. So stay tuned. So these are actually the street lights. This is the BeckTour street lights. Those are 50,000 hour solar street lights. So they do not run on power whatsoever. All you have to do is put them together, put the solar panel over the top of them, and screw them into whatever structure you want to screw them into, and you're ready to go. So that's pretty much that. I'm gonna do the unboxing. Like I said, these are a 2-pack and it's 50,000 hours and they're very cool. So I'm gonna actually do the unveiling as we speak. All right, so I'm gonna start putting them together, so bear with me. So these are practically the street lights in question. I'm gonna open the box and you can do that this way here. And here's what's inside the box. Pretty much. Those are heavy. Okay. Actually, brackets for the lights themselves, whether you're gonna mount them on poles or you're gonna be mounting them on a wall or something. So that's the bracket right there. Couple of brackets. I haven't found the instructions yet. And these are the panels that actually sit on top of the bracket. These are the solar panels right here. This is the back of them. That's the front. There's 2 of them as well. And there's 2 of these. Because obviously this came in a pair. I believe you can buy those as a single as well, but I prefer the pair because I needed 2 of them to light up my backyard, to say the least. And that's one of the lights. Right here is one. And it's a bunch of bolts and screws as well. No instruction as of yet. 2 remotes that came with it. And that's the other light. Inside the box, there's a few more screws, batteries and stuff as well. And a couple Allen wrench keys with the instruction inside of them as well. So let's get ready to put this together. First, you have to follow the instructions. So that's the packing. The first page actually has the packing list. And the model number for this is LUX 2000X. And the wattage is 180 watt, 196 LEDs in each light, and the IP rating is 67, IP67. The color is 6500K, and mountain height could be from 10 to 17 feet. So we're gonna actually start mounting the solar panels together first, so we can get it in order. squeezing, and I don't think I'm going to be using the batteries. Because every time I squeeze the battery, it feels like clay. It's getting quite soft on me, so those Chinese batteries are not good. I'm just going to toss these away, and I'm going to locate the proper battery for this. Battery should not be this soft. So just bear with me, and I'll go get some new batteries. All right, I'm back. I ended up swapping the batteries because these batteries here, if you look, they're not good. I could squeeze them, make them flat like this, like so and so. So these are not good batteries in any way, shape, or form for your remote. So I ended up using Energizer Max instead of whatever brand that was that they provided me, because considering that this is a pair of headlights, sorry, a pair of street lights, they gave me 2 pair of batteries as well. So, but it's the same kind of battery, so I ended up getting 4 just to replace those ones. And now we're gonna use 2 on this remote just to see what happens. Of course, one just jumps out of my hand, and boom, I just placed the batteries in the right spot, and as you can see, that's how this runs. And that should be able to be on. See, the lights are on now, and you could enhance the brightness, make it brighter. And you can dim it. Yep. And that's how powerful these lights are. And it does recommend that you actually have it in the sun, exposed to the sun, getting solar exposure for at least 18 hours before working. But apparently they had some charge in it. So therefore, that's how that's gonna be in a nutshell. So I'm gonna go ahead and install the other one and find somewhere to tape this wire or place this wire into, because I don't like the way the disposition of the wire, to say the least. That's the one drawback I really don't like about it. So I'm gonna look into that further. Actually, I have an idea. Let me see what I have in mind can work. Let me get this off. See if I can move the wire to the bottom and see if I can fix that real quick. Yeah. So with that being said, I just realized I could unscrew the wire and moved it down this way. So what I'm gonna do is probably duct tape this like so and so here, or if I have clips, and clip it here and make sure it works. It should work, but yeah, that's my next plan for this, is to make sure that we have no further issues whatsoever. in regards to this before I put it on the wall or something. But as of right now, everything works perfect. It's super bright, and you could have it on motion detector. You could actually put this on motion detector, so when somebody steps in front of the sensor, it comes on automatically. You could run it for 3 hours, 5 hours, 8 hours, pretty much, and it doesn't require any electricity whatsoever because it runs on solar power. So that's the great part about it. You don't have to waste any further, be on the grid or in any way, shape, or form to make sure this runs. So I'm gonna go ahead and install the other one off camera, and then I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a great weekend. Enjoy. Peace, guys.